Today I'll show you how to be a medic in this game mode. First you want to equip the RPD in the LMG section. Then you want this attachment equipped on the barrel section on the RPD, and you can add anything else you want on it. This will only work in this game mode only. Okay, now I'll show you how the medic strategy works, and I'll skip the loading in part. Okay, step 1. You want to fill your blue bar to level 4 or 5. Okay, as soon you reach level 4 or 5, you want to hide until everyone becomes a snowman. Okay, if your teammates turn onto snowman, you want to bring out your RPG and start shooting them and heal them, because you have infinite ammo and also clear the rest of the enemy. So that's how you become a medic in that game mode. Remember to use this attachment in that game mode.